my goodness. Well, hanging up pictures on a wall is just awful. I mean, I have to measure, position, then drill, and then I can hang my pictures up on the wall eventually. Wouldn't it be nice to have a machine that is able to measure and work at the same time? I mean, it would make things much faster. Let's see what our pros can do here.
My name is Jens Brüggebors. I'm a pro in copper welding, and my superpower is I'm extremely fast.
Hi Jens! I've heard you're probably the first man in the world who's able to multitask, right?
Yes, sure.
Sounds promising, so how does it work?
We're using the TruDisk 8000 with 8 kilowatt faster than ever, and 2 PFO, multitasking, one is welding, and the second one is taking the VisionLine with the AI filter.
I want to see how fast you really are, so I've got a challenge for you. I want you to weld these hairpins, which are used in electric cars. I see you yawning, it's not a tough challenge. So your challenge is to weld not only one stator, but 2 stators at the same time. Do you accept this challenge?
Challenge accepted.
Thank God, it's so heavy. Wow, okay, that was really fast.
Here it is.
And it's welded. Wow, how does it work technically?
We're using 2 PFOs with 2 vision systems and 2 field boosters for parallel data processing.
And what does it mean for the customers? I mean, what is the advantage?
With our AI filter, rough cut surfaces don't matter. In practice, this means the pins we use here on purpose only have a rough cut surface, as if the special trim prior to welding was missing, where standard detection is usually almost impossible. With this optic setup we get faster, increase the working field by a higher quality.
Well, I think I give up. I mean, there's something soothing about empty walls, right? So you can hang up pictures with laser, but we've seen that the laser industry is changing a lot in terms of manufacturing processes. What do you think about it? Which use cases do you have in mind? Write us in the comments below.